Go.
Hello YouTube, this is the fishing tourney for it, and it begins now. The competitors are Reenie, Ruth, and of course Raw Dog, and as well as Duchess, who is filming this.
Hey, Bruce.
No one's hacking in this competition right now, because it would be unfair. There we go. Bam, that's like an easy 500 there. This was the same day as we made the Wi-Fi video. Oh, and by the way, small fish are rare. So they would be like 20 points. You catch your small fish.
Excuse me, chicken. No fair, I fell in pitfall seed. Who planted that?
They might have just randomly came up.
Bruce!
What the heck? Whoa, big fish. Hopefully it's not a sea bass. And the winner of this match will receive a gold trophy.
Cool. Ooh, sea bass.
That's only 1 point. Phew.
Bless you.
Thanks. This thing's spinning around in circles.
Ooh,
1 minute left,
dragonfly.
people. I guess sea bass can count for 5 points.
I see a dragonfly.
Bugs do not count in this competition either.
Ooh, big fishy. Where are you at?
Sheesh. Taking forever to reel this thing in. What the heck? This fish is like huge. I wonder if it's an arpima.
Where are you
Oh my
at?
god, it is an arpima.
Where are you at?
Alright, everyone meet at the town hall and then... Ruth, why did you catch 2 bugs? Anyways, YouTube, we're about to show our best fish here. Okay, whatever. Anyways, show your best fish. Wait, where's Reenie? Come on, Reenie. Look at the map. Hurry up, we don't got that much time. You just passed it. We're at the town hall. Right now, go to near Ruth, where Ruth is. Okay, everyone, show off your biggest fish in 10, 9, 8, 7, 3, cow, 1. Wow, everybody, great job. Well, I do not know what to say. I do not know what to say. Look at us. Look at all of these 3 fishes. These 3 rare fish. It's really cool. We got a sunfish, a Napoleon, and an arabima. So guess what? All of us win!
Ooh, Freddy.
Here's our prize money! And you get a prize money forever! Now everyone, take your prize! Merry Christmas! Okay, YouTube, it was... Okay, Bruce was in this making, Reenie was in this making, Frog Dog was in this making, which is I, and of course, Duchess was in the making. Okay guys, peace.
Bye, YouTube.
I already